You can fill out RGB form in 3 cases.
Number 1, you are not an RGB partner right now. To become an RGB partner, you are applying for the first time.
Number 2, you are already an RGB partner. You want to upgrade your color token.
Number 3, you are already an RGB partner. You want to make some changes in your payment receiving details.
You will get the official link of RGB form on rgbaffiliates.com website and RGB Affiliates mobile app. Now I'll tell you how to fill RGB form. Number 1, for first time registration. For this, purchase any of the RGB tokens. After purchasing, go to RGB form, enter your email ID. In applying reason, select first time registration. Enter your full name, mobile number and secret pin. What is secret pin? It is a pin number created by you. You can create, view or change your secret pin in edit profile settings. Now click on the next button. Here you will be asked red, green or blue which color token you have for registration. Select the color token you have purchased and click on the next button. Up next, you will have to fill your payment receiving details. Where do you want to receive the money you will earn from RGB Affiliates? Enter the name of the bank. Enter the bank's account number. Whose bank account is this? Enter the name of the person. Enter the IFSC code of your branch and at last enter your UPI ID. Entering payment receiving details was the last step of first time registration form. Now just click on the submit button. After a verification process within 4 to 12 hours, you will receive a confirmation email from RGB. This is the way you will become an RGB partner. Number 2, for color token upgrade. Firstly, purchase the higher level token you want to upgrade on. Obviously, after purchasing, enter the same details like email ID, full name, mobile number and secret pin. But this time in applying reason, the option which you will need to select is color token upgrade. After this, when you will click on the next button, you will be asked which color token you are upgrading on, not your current token. It means to say to upgrade your commission rate, which is the new color token you have purchased. Is it green or it's red? Select from the options below and click on the submit button. Within 4 to 12 hours of the waiting period, your RGB account will be upgraded with the higher commission rates coming with your new color token. Number 3, changing payment receiving details. On the first page of the form, enter the same details like email ID, full name, mobile number and secret pin. But this time in applying reason, the option which you will be selecting is change payment receiving details. After doing this, click on the next button. Here you will be asked to re-enter your secret pin. Do that. Now when you will scroll a bit, you will see details like name of the bank, bank account number, account holder's name, IFSC code and UPI ID have been asked from you again to submit. Enter your new payment receiving details here and click on the submit button. Now what will happen next? Within 4 to 12 hours from our RGB database, we will permanently delete your older payment receiving details and will store the new payment receiving details that you have just submitted.